Welcome to Donnie's Auto World, where innovation meets the road, and today, we're bringing you something truly unique, the all-new Papa Grande Pro 2025, a bold step into the future of mobility. This three-wheel E-Trike is not just a mode of transport. It's a statement of freedom, practicality, and green living all rolled into one sleek package. Whether you're a daily commuter, a small business owner, or someone looking for a fun and eco-friendly ride, the Papa Grande Pro 2025 is built to impress. At first glance, the Papa Grande Pro commands attention with its rugged, modern design. The three-wheel layout offers exceptional stability, especially at low speeds and around tight corners, making it perfect for urban environments. Unlike conventional scooters or motorcycles, this E-Trike offers more balance and comfort, making it accessible for a wider range of riders, including seniors or those with limited mobility. Under the hood, or rather beneath the seat, is a powerful electric motor paired with a high-capacity lithium battery. You can expect a smooth, silent ride with zero emissions and a respectable range that ensures you can run errands, commute to work, or make deliveries without worrying about constant recharging. With a top speed that's perfect for city cruising and enough torque to handle moderate inclines, the Papa Grande Pro doesn't just get you there, it gets you there in style. Comfort hasn't been compromised either. The seat is wide and cushioned for longer rides, and the rear platform is spacious enough for cargo, groceries, or even a passenger, depending on your configuration. LED lighting, a digital display, and convenient controls make it easy to operate, even for first-time users. Safety features like rear-view mirrors, bright brake lights, and an ergonomic handlebar setup ensure a ride that feels secure and intuitive. Charging is a breeze. Plug it into any standard outlet, and you're good to go. The battery is removable too, so you can charge it inside your home or office while leaving the trike parked safely outside. Maintenance is minimal compared to gas-powered vehicles, saving you both time and money in the long run. In short, the Papa Grande Pro 2025 is more than just an electric trike, it's a lifestyle shift. Whether you're reducing your carbon footprint, looking for a reliable urban vehicle, or simply want a fun and stable way to get around, this E-Trike delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in to Donnie's Auto World. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.